After vacation, yes.
After 4 weeks, on the ground that Mr. PKT Learned Senior Counsel has some personal difficulty today. So, we are not being objected to by Learned Counsel for the respondents, as well as the Learned Counsel for the petitioner in WPC 3259 of 2024. Mr.
J.M. Gogol.
J.M. Gogol. Come on, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. These matters.
Can it be taken up on 14th, my lord, of July?
14 to
16. Not on 16th. Yes. Then, my lord, after 21st, any date. No, I'll coordinate, my lord.
No. You cannot coordinate. You have to tell us.
My lord, after 21st, my lord. After 21st.
Just give any day.
I apologize, my lord. After 21st. Highly obliged.
23rd, we have another case.
Then no date.
Plus, let it be on 21st.
He has a difficulty.
24th, Lordship.
Fine. Highly obliged. I apologize, my lord.
Okay, please, your lordship. Lordship, with consent of the opposite parties, I pray for an adjournment in item number 35, my lord.
35.
The PK Bora has some personal difficulty today, ma'am. The matter will be taken up after 2 weeks.
You have to inform the other side.
Yes.
I'm not.
Mr. MS.
That's
K. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. PK Bora, Learned Counsel for the respondent. Press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks.
deeply obliged.
I have paid for listing of a contempt case regarding declaration of result of CBSC class 12. Honorable Court directed to declare the result, but till the authority has not declared the result.
Next week.
And tomorrow, my lord.
Next week.
Monday.
Next week.
It's Monday.
Wait, Lord. I beg to mention item number 41. We have circulated the adjournment slip and also taken consent from the respondent side also. The matter was fixed.
On the prayer of Mr.
PS Bora.
U.S. Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of
It's a PS4.
PH Code, Learned Counsel for petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Lord.
May I please? Also, in item number 34, I'm being led by Senior Counsel PJ Sekel also. He is having some difficulty today also.
34. Why? Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
It will does.
Didas, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after
Immediately after.
4 weeks.
Also, it may be listed for hearing, otherwise the matter is ready for hearing.
No. It is listed for orders, we'll see.
Rule was already issued also.
We'll see.
I beg to mention item 39 also. Yesterday we have circulated.
39. Yes, on the prayer of Mr.
H80 Lucy.
H.A.T. Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Obligation.
My please, your lordship. Lordship, with consent of the other side, lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, my lord. My senior is not well today, my lord. He is under medical treatment, my lord. After vacation, my lord.
What remains? What is the prayer here?
Regulation. Regulation.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
PK Bordole.
P.K. Bordole, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 3 weeks.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, lordship, the conducting counsel is unwell. Can it be taken up after vacation?
On the ground that conducting counsel, Mr.
A.R. Barua.
A.R. Borua, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, is unwell, Miss MS.
K. Bhattacharya.
K. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel, appearing on his behalf, praise for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks.
It is a lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, lordship.
20.
15, 15, lordship.
Okay, yes.
Sir, submitted the adjournment slip, lordship.
The prayer of MS.
Nirola, lordship.
M. Nirola, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Immediately after vacation. Organized lordship, item 42, lordship. After vacation, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, today some personal difficulties.
Hmm?
Today some personal difficulties.
On the ground that Mr. M. Khan,
Lordship,
learned counsel for the petitioner, learned arguing counsel for the petitioner has some personal difficulty, comma, MS,
Jay Akhtar.
J. Akhtar, learned counsel, praise for the listing of the matter, praise for adjournment. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship, date may be given, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention for one IA for listing, my lord.
Huh?
One IA for listing,
What is the urgency?
Lordship, modification of interim order.
Huh?
This is a modification of interim order, my lord.
That will come in its own turn. Let it come its own turn. You file it, it will be listed.
Already filed, my lord.
Hmm?
Already filed, my lord.
Reopening,
On Monday, maybe.
not Monday, next week, simply say next.
Next is. Supposed to.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25.
Hmm.
With the consent of other side, the matter may be passed over for the day.
Item?
25.
Hmm.
Lordship, I am P. Bhattacharya, appearing on behalf of D. Purkayasth.
On the prayer of Mr.
P. Bhattacharya.
B.
P.
P. Bhattacharya, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Prokast, B. Prokast, learned counsel, but list this matter after 4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship.
I just, I beg to mention item 13, my lord.
Hmm.
I took consent from the other side.
Hmm.
Let the matter be listed after 3 weeks.
On the prayer of MSK, they be learned counsel for the petition, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
I love this.
I beg to mention item 6, my lord.
Hmm.
Already I have prepared the affidavit that I have to send it for vetting, so sometime it will.
Who is for the petition?
Fix a date.
Or
Lordship.
Mr. M. Hussain, learned
Is the
counsel,
document.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. MS
And
N. Fukan, learned standing counsel, elementary education department. Press for and is granted further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, it is already ready, Lordship. Can you fix a date?
after petition,
No, Lordship, it is a matter of Lordship pension, Lordship, arrear salary, Lordship.
Hmm.
It is a matter of 2023.
It's not an isolated case.
Lordship, that aspect, Lordship, it is already ready, only for vetting purpose. Fix a date, Lordship. Fix a date, can be.
Are you commanding?
No, Lordship. I am
Are you
praying.
commanding?
Lordship, no, I am praying.
Huh? Then don't say fix a date. If you are commanding, we are obliged. As commanded by Mr. Huh?
No, Lordship, I am.
Then
sorry.
yes, give it somewhere in 29 July. 30, July 30.
My lordship, praying for listing of a petition for withdrawal, lordship. Tomorrow, if possible, lordship.
Withdrawal.
Withdrawal, lordship. Petition as grievance has been addressed. So if not, then Monday, if lordship.
Tomorrow in this. Withdrawal to noise.
Obliged.
Item 1.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior Mr. K. Mahanta, your lordship. Lordship, as per the office note, we are required to serve notice, extra copies to respondent number 3, your lordship, and yesterday we have taken steps, your lordship.
Then what about the, huh?
I'm appearing for secondary education.
What is the last order? Self-file. What steps upon
Respondent number 3, your lordship.
3? Yes. MS so and so learn council, although order office note dated 16/06/2026 reflects that no steps have been taken by the petitioner, comma, for notice of service of notice upon steps have been taken upon respondent number 3, comma, Mr. Although I've said MS RB Bora learned standing counsel for NIOS enters NIOS for respondatory is entered appearance. Entered RB Boral understanding of the NIOS of a respondatory enters appearance on behalf of respondatory. This stuff.
Lordship, interim may be extended.
The in view of service is complete. List for admission after 4 weeks. Interim order pass. Let's continue.
I'm appearing for respondent number 1.
MS so and so, PDAS. Secondary education.
Second period.
Yes. And Mr. are present.
5. As they are
Comma, so and so are present.
answered.
Hmm.
Two.
And your back, your lordship.
May it be pleases you, lordship. Here, your lordship, we have obtained instruction, your lordship.
Hmm.
Director has received corrected proposal from the IS
Hmm.
Soraido, your lordship.
Hmm.
According to that, your lordship, in respect of Deepamani, your lordship, it will send to the file will be submitted to government, your lordship, seeking sanction at the earliest. I'd like to submit it. Some time may be granted,
So
your
like,
lordship.
but only thing is a matter of 2017, madam.
Ah.
Next year it will be 10 years.
Hmm.
Only area salary for few months. And it is verified, they has found it is correct.
Okay. We'll dispose it of.
Yes, that
Heard Mr.
H. Rahman.
H. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. The claim made in this street petition is for release of the area salary of the petitioner for the period with effect from July 2001 to February 2006.
Yes.
This stuff. The petitioner is working as, still working,
Yes, yes, madam.
is working as
As assistant teacher
assistant teacher
at Tengapukuri.
who is appointed
Soraido.
In the
in the year 1999
Yes.
and posted in the Demaji Dasangpani High School. This stuff. The last posting is where?
Where is Tengapukuri, madam?
Huh?
Tengapukuri High School. By order
From
30.
Desangpani to
It was transferred to Tengapukuri High School.
thereafter
Within same district, madam.
the Demaji, huh?
Yes.
And then
Dhemaji Disangpani.
huh?
Dhemaji Disangpani High School to Tengapukuri High School.
Mr. Thereafter she was posted to Tengapukuri High School, Demaji, huh?
No, so this is Soraido, madam.
Saraido.
Yes.
Saraidio.
Yes.
Saraidio, huh? On 30/03/2001, right?
Yes, yes. Correct, madam.
Mr. The it is contained that the petitioner received her salary
Up to June 2001.
up to June 2001. However, she has not been paid the salary
From July
For-
2001 to February
from
2006.
July 2006, 2001
Yes.
to February
2006.
2006. This stuff.
Thereafter, I'm getting regular salary, but this only this period, madam.
All right. The petitioner thereafter received his regular salary till that. However, for the period from
July 2001.
July 2001 to 2006, February 2006,
Yes.
the respondent authorities had failed to pay the arrear salary without there being any without any justification, despite the fact that the headmaster of the Tenga Pukuri High School and inspector of the school from a Sipsada district had sent the proposal to the director school education Assam. Mustafa. Next para. MS P. Das, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Secondary Education Department, by placing the communication dated 17/06/2026 from the Director Secondary Education, Assam, submits that the directorate has received the corrected proposal from the inspector of the school, CDC, Saraidio, on 15/06/2026 regarding the release of arrear salary for an amount of rupees 3,69,217 in respect of the petitioner for a period with effect from 01/07/2001 to 28/02/2006, within bracket 56 months, and the same is under process at the director. The same is under process, which will be submitted to the government seeking sanction at the earliest. Next para. Having considered that the claim of the petitioner for an amount of rupees 3,89,217 as arrear salary for a period with effect from 01/07/2001 to 28/02/2006 is undisputed, and also considering that the for release of the said amount, said arrear and salary to the petitioner is stated to be under process for sanction, I'm of the considered view that no further determination of the grievance of the petitioner is required. List of thus I deem it appropriate to close this writ petition with the direction to the respondent authorities, particularly Director, Secondary Education, Assam, to expedite the process for sanction of the arrear salary of the petition of the petitioner for the period with effect from 01/07/2001 to 28/02/2026 expeditiously, I said so, expeditiously, and release the same to the petitioner within a period of not later than 3 months from today. Writ petition stands disposed of.
I'm deeply obliged.
Lordship, kindly take a look at the order dated 4/6/2026.
Hmm?
Order dated 4/6/2026.
Hmm.
You will have to start with the facts, madam.
Mm.
Because hard in another. I've got the instruction. Pursuant to the last order, I've
Mm.
got the additional instruction. Affidavit we have already filed.
Hmm.
That-
You have got this certificate.
Madam,
Certificate submitted a petition online
yes, madam, that, madam.
as well as the scrutiny committee report.
Madam, so far as the present case is concerned, my lord, that advertisement, no documents were uploaded by any, my lord, candidate. That was not the criteria. Only at the time of verification, they were supposed to place the original before us.
There is no requirement of submission of the certificate online.
Yes, entire process, not only in the case of the petition.
And any scrutiny report is
Only
there.
on the, yes, scrutiny report is there.
Where do we find it?
Lordship will see down below, madam. Sumana Das.
Red,
Yes, ma'am.
red tick.
Yes.
Sulaima? Sumana Das.
Yes.
Ah,
Then in the remarks column, my lord, Lordship will find, my lord, why it was.
graduations
There was overwriting in the, my lord, date of birth in the original certificate.
tempering on date of birth in admit and first certificate rejected. Tempering in certificate.
But that was subsequently, Lordship, after filing of the writ petition,
Doesn't matter.
Sheba, his Lordship stated that the date of birth, whatever she has given in the online application is correct, Lordship.
Where is online? There is no requirement of online certificate.
Lordship kindly come to page 18,
Ah.
online application submitted by the
Application is different in documents, Lordship is on.
date of birth 27/12/1975 and certificate also 27/12/2000.
What online?
Lordship,
Page 18?
page 18.
Online
Elected.
system for recruitment.
But date of birth kindly have a look.
There is no submission. You have just given the date of birth.
Lordship.
That's all.
But that is correct, Lordship. Your Lordship also kindly have a look at the certificate.
So the
duplicate
date
copy
of birth is 27/12/1975.
75.
Then
And also
where is
Lordship,
the certificate?
certificate page 24.
Hmm?
Page 24.
Date of birth in admit card and pass certificate. Yes, where it is?
Lordship, NHR 6, page 24.
Hmm.
Date of birth 27/12/1975.
27/12/1975.
25. And Sheba also filed their affidavit. And in the affidavit, they supported.
Where is the admit card?
Admit card, Lordship.
My lord, these are all duplicate one.
Hmm.
Original, according to him, it was lost. Immediately after the interview, it was lost.
Immediately after the
Yes.
interview.
But it is lost, page 23, Lordship. NHR 5.
Admit card.
No, Lordship. It is police report.
Where is the admit card?
Admit card, Lordship, that I have not annexed.
Why? They said that your rejection is based on tampering on date of birth in admit card and pass certificate.
But the birth certificate I have annexed.
Pass certificate
Birth certificate, no, Lordship.
is high. Pass
Birth
certificate.
certificate I have annexed, but admit card not annexed.
Why?
Lordship, that time somehow Lordship, it was could not be annexed, Lordship.
Do you have?
But
Do
subsequently
you
I
have?
yes.
Do you have the
yes,
original?
Yes.
Where
Yes.
it is?
But today I have, it is not with me.
Then?
Lordship, it was submitted to the Sheba.
And then it was they returned back to me and I have returned it.
This certificate, page 24, transfer, high school is living certificate.
Lordship.
This is a school living certificate.
Yes,
Yes, yes, sir.
school living certificate.
This is a birth certificate.
Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This has been issued on 11/9/2017 after the, my lord, verification was over. It, a verification was done on 29/7/2017.
29?
7/2017.
29/7/2007.
And my lord, on 1/9, the select list was published. On 3/9, appointments were already issued.
19?
1/9, the select list was published,
19/2000?
17. And on 3/9, appointment letters were issued to the all selected candidates. And as of that, there is no vacancy, my lord, as such. So after completion of the entire selection process, till the date of issuing of the appointment letters, petitioner came up with a duplicate copy of the ballot.
But Lordship, kindly come to page 23. Page 23, police inquiry report. It was lost on 8/9/17. And immediately thereafter a missing entry.
That is also after 29?
Yes, after 29. On 29, she submitted all her original lordship before the district scrutiny committee lordship.
You have submitted.
Yes,
Then where is your
129. But it was
where is the original?
lordship original thereafter lost. And now after making a lordship reporting a missing report, duplicate was issued.
See, this is of 10/9/2027,
Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
Public select list was published on 1/9,
Yes.
and this report is of 10/9
Lordship.
or 8. Zero 08/09/2017. You have lost the complaint,
Lordship.
that you have lost your thing. What does SEBA say?
Already verified a duplicate certificate.
Hmm.
That has been tallied with our report man.
It's Teliwit.
They have filed our affidavit also.
Hmm.
Duplicate certificate they have issued, madam. No question of telling it. They are the one who has issued.
We
in
have issued.
September.
We have it.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a duplicate certificate is correct.
Correct.
How you have verified?
No, as per, at the time of appearing in the SLC examination, the school headmaster submitted the MRS, that is the manuscript register seal. And this is the vital record matter from which we issue the certificate, recording the particulars available in the MRS.
And lordship, in December 2017, the petitioner submitted a representation to consider it, my lord. After 6 months of the, my lord, process, or say, my lord, 4 months. That is recorded in the honorable court order which was passed earlier, whereby we are directed to consider that particular representation and to pass a speaking order, which is challenged in this particular. It's under challenge.
You have passed it.
We have rejected it, my lord. Today, how can we, my lord, appoint? She has missed the bus. And interestingly, my lord, on 29 July, my lord, we have detected that she ought to have clarified it immediately. Now, my lord, on 8/9, according to the petitioner.
Have you communicated?
Hello?
Have you communicated this
Yes, she has
scrutiny?
deleted. That's why she has deleted.
Lordship, initially thereafter it was not communicated. It was Lordship, I will Lordship submit the Lordship, the receipt issued after the scrutiny committee.
No dispute regarding that. She has appeared.
I can submit Lordship.
Hmm?
I can submit the acknowledgement issued by the authority after scrutiny. And it was stated that it is correct in all respect, Lordship. But subsequently plea was taken that it is tempered. Date of birth was overwritten, but that is that is found to be not correct. Sheba stated that her date of birth is accurate.
We don't know. We don't have that certificate.
That is true, but Lordship, Sheba issued the duplicate.
It's all
Duplicate
right,
one is
then
telling
how to-
my online application and date of birth, all I'm saying. 27.
Overwriting or tampering cannot be ruled out also in the certificate. We don't know. This is subsequent thing. Maybe correct. You may be correct. The same
But
certificate might.
Lordship,
We
may
don't
I-
know whether that certificate was issued, placed or not.
Lordship, may I submit their acknowledgement receipt after scrutiny committee that was issued on that very day?
Where is that original duplicate certificate?
Original lost, original duplicate, original one, I can produce, Lordship.
Huh?
I can produce before this evening.
With the admit card?
Or Lordship, I can produce.
You have
Next week,
Hmm?
I can produce.
But we are not impressed. And at the same time, now it's a selection of 2017.
Lordship.
At this distant point of time, how do we grant you a relief? Suppose even if we find that your rejection was wrongly done, how do we,
But for her, no.
what
fault,
relief can be granted at this
Lordship, it is-
point of time?
But for her, no fault, she had to suffer, Lordship.
So
So, Lordship,
we
authority
don't
may be-
know because you have lost the certificate which you have submitted before the authority. When that certificate was found to be tempered, unless we know that, we see that certificate, whether it was tempered or not, it's difficult to determine, right? You may be correct, your date of birth may be correct. But this is not the duplicate certificate, is not the certificate which you have submitted before the authority.
That is correct, Lordship, but their acknowledgement is, I can show, Lordship.
They have simply
That-
said that it's tempered, certificate tempered. So inadvertently, you might have tempered it, is not it? It's quite possible. So it's very difficult unless we have that certificate. You are saying that your date of birth is 12 something 70, which tell you with the duplicate certificate. But this duplicate certificate was not before the authority. Is not it? Obviously, it cannot be. At that point of time, you have the original certificate.
Lordship.
So how do we determine that it was not tempered?
But Lordship,
The report doesn't scrutiny doesn't say that there's a mismatch or different in the date of birth. It simply says tempered, overwriting or tempered. It doesn't say that the date of birth which you have given in the online application and the original certificate is different.
Lordship,
Had it been a case, we could have understood that this duplicate certificate, we can rely on it, isn't it? But it's a case of tempering or overwriting. How do we determine whether there's a overwriting or
Lordship, after scrutiny, they have issued an acknowledgement receipt.
saying what?
Saying that everything is okay, Lordship.
What okay? Where is that? What is that?
I can.
Where is that?
A short date may fix, next date I will produce.
Where?
After vacation, Lordship, I will produce, Lordship.
Very difficult. You suggest, advise your client.
Lordship, we are direct.
Tomorrow, if we
After-
find,
After vacation, need it.
sir, if we find tomorrow also that is, you had the correct certificate, what relief can be granted now?
But
And prima facie, it's difficult to determine whether it was tempered or not, unless the documents is with us, before us.
Lordship, a date.
It will be a
Lordship,
futile exercise.
Lordship, a date may fix after vacation.
Is he not working somewhere now? She's not working.
No.
She's assistant teacher.
Assistant teacher.
Instead of pursuing this, you could have go for other avenues. Then in that case, we think about the interest of your client petitioner. Nothing will, no relief can be granted. Assuming that you are, I mean, even if we accept your submission to be correct.
But in a appropriate case, Lordship may direct the authority to pay compensation, Lordship.
Not compensation, because we'll not be able to determine whether that document is tempered or not,
Lordship,
unless the documents is with us.
Lordship, in other
It's not a
case-
case that you have submitted the documents and they have written it. Did you?
Yes,
Did you return the document?
original document they produced, we verified and we have returned it. They are in the instruction. And not only in the case of the petitioner, for every candidate, that was the procedure.
But Mr. Gogoi, there is little scope of, I mean, I'm not saying that you have manipulated, but there is a little scope of doing, you just received the documents and
No,
then,
it was, my lord, there was overwriting. my lord.
and then
That's why
you return it back.
No, my
Then
lord,
and
there
there
is no
you could
question.
have, then and there you say that there is a operating, this is, we cannot accept this, rejected. Had it been that, matter would have been different, but there appears to be little scope to have, I'm not saying manipulation, kind of
But my lord, it was tempered.
Arbitrary-
Tempered to the extent that, my lord, there is some
kind of
overwriting in the date of
arbitrary
birth.
discretion has been,
No, Lordship will kindly see the sequence of event, my lord. After the appointments were issued, on 8/9, suddenly she has lost only these two documents. One is the admit card, another is the, my lord, pass certificate.
but problem is that
They don't have the
certificate, the authority who has issued the certificate say that is correct.
Of course, my lord, we are not saying, my lord, it is a doubtful one. But when we found that it is tempered, of course, we will have a raise a.
No, that's why, that's at that point, at that
found to
point,
be
you
doubtful.
may be correct. Very difficult. It's of no use. We'll grant you time, but then I don't think.
Lordship, I did my fix. I'll try my best to convince your Lordship the next.
Not convinced. Anyway. Heard Mr. L.R. Majumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next paragraph. In reference to the order dated 04/06/2026, Mr. B. Gogoi, learned additional advocate general, placed the scrutiny committee's reports 29/07/2017. This
Yes, sir.
29/07/2017, which indicates that the certificates, documents, no, indicates that it indicates, which reflects that there was a overwriting oblique tempering on the date of birth in the admit card and birth certificate of HSLC of the petitioner. However, there was no certificate submitted by the petitioner through online. Rather, it was the requirement was only to mention the date of birth in the application form. Mr. No, first you said submits that as per certificates, as regards the certificate submitted by the petitioner online, there was no requirement of submission of certificate online. rather the requirement was to mention the date of birth on the application form. Is that it? Only to mention the date of
Yeah,
birth in
only
the
for the
application.
application was to be submitted, my lord, along with the particular.
As regards the report of the scrutiny committee dated 29/07/2027. By placing the report, he submits that the petitioner's certificate was verified and found to be overwritten oblique certificate, particularly verified the certificates, particularly the documents, particularly the admit card and pass certificate of HSLC, which was found to be overwritten oblique tempered as regards the date of birth. Therefore, the candidature of the petitioner was rejected. Was rejected. Next paragraph. On the no, as regards the certificates, which was issued to the petitioner by the no, as regards the original certificate, original within bracket duplicate certificate issued by the who has issued this?
Board of Secondary Education, Assam.
Board of Secondary,
Education, Assam.
Board of Secondary Education Assam on 11/09/2017, and the admit card of Mr.
LR Majumdar.
Majumdar and Council submits that he may be allowed to produce the original of the duplicate certificate as well as the admit card, for which he prays for listing of the matter. Prays for 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
After vacation, any date.
Yes. Should I record my prime facie view?
Lordship, not at this stage. One last chance.
Considered above, comma, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks as prayed for by Mr. Majumdar,
Lordship, a date.
so as to enable him to produce the original documents. Original documents, particularly the admit card and the original duplicate certificate.
As well as Lordship, acknowledgement received dated 29/7.
Well, see, acknowledgement is not an issue. They are not saying that you have not submitted. They are only saying that the certificate was tampered
But
or
on the
overwritten. That's all.
acknowledgement received, that was not stated, Lordship. That's why I'm saying.
You have annexed in your that thing?
But
In
this
the,
is not there in the affidavit, we file one for affidavit.
okay. Mr. Then you said, before that, Mr. B. Gogo Ilanet, additional advocacy to bring on record the report dated 29/7/2017
29/7.
by an affidavit.
Lordship, a date may proceed. Any date after?
After
29
vacation,
29.
29
July.
July.
Item 4.
At field lodge. In this case, my lord, the district scrutiny committee addressed 23 lordship.
recommended, my lord, five, my lord, Sir's lordship, employees for provincial election lordship. At page 23, my lord, relevant is at page 24.
Format for report of the scrutiny committee.
My lord, the petitioner was at the serial number 5, lordship, Ishaq Ali Mondal.
Ishaq Ali Mandal,
Yes, lordship.
Arabic teacher.
Yes, lord. Now kindly see the enrollment, lordship. Enrollment is, my lord, 113,
Details of the tutor eligible for permission. Yes.
113, 114 and 124 during, my lord, 3 years, lordship.
Huh?
Well, enrollment, lordship, more than 100, lordship.
Hmm.
And if the enrollment is more than 100, lordship, four, my lord, research ought to have been provincial election. Only 3, lordship. Now kindly see at page 27, lordship. This is a serial number 960,
Who?
960, lordship.
Where?
My lord, at page 27.
Ha.
3 persons, lordship. 1 Tasir Ali, Aforesaid Mullah, and Abdul Qadir. Headmaster, he was headmaster, my lord, English, social science, science and social science. 3 persons were employed, my lord, provincial lordship.
Hmm.
In terms of the, my lord, RT Act lordship, my lord, if the enrollment is more than 100, lordship, my lord, employee is, one teacher is, my lord, required to be provincial lordship.
Permission for what?
For, my lord, teacher lordship, tutor, it should be tutor lordship. Now, only 3 provincialized as tutors lordship. Now, petitioners should have been considered lordship.
Only 3 is permitted.
Yes, how lordship? This is kindly see the, my lord, RT Act lordship.
Forget about that. RTA Act is in accordance with that. In addition to that,
But in addition to that, my
you have the act. Your state act is there.
state act is there, my lord. That
How many teachers and what subjects they have been
five
provincialized?
teachers, 5 teachers were recommended lordship.
Ha. 3 of them have been
3 of them have been
provincialized.
provincialized lordship.
That's enough.
Now, 3 Roman, my lord,
Hmm?
my lord, section 3,
311.
yes, lordship.
Ha.
311.
Read
If,
it.
my lord, if more than 3, my lord, if more than, my lord, already more, 3 have been provincialized lordship. If more teachers or additional teachers are there, lordship,
It's
that
up,
should be, my lord, in terms of the, my lord, RT lordship. Lordship has also passed order to consider, my lord,
up to them.
their, my lord,
It's up to them.
provincial election
You
lordship.
cannot, as a matter of right, cannot claim.
My lord, your lordship have decided the matter, lordship,
Hmm.
in other case, lordship.
Okay.
So, my lord, claim may be directed to
Facts
be
might have
considered
been
lordship.
different. There were only three teachers were appointed already.
No, herein 3 teachers were provincialized lordship.
Yes. So matter ends there. To
No.
to appoint or provincialize
Now kindly see the
additional
RT Act lordship.
additional teachers,
Yes.
it's the discretion. It's up to the authorities.
The authority may be directed to.
You
consider-
read 11. 311 you read.
Yes. Sarina. 17.
Yes, what is your stand?
I have not filed affidavit, but if your lordship will kindly see even if the petitioner claims for an additional teacher, there is one more senior teacher who was also left out. So only his claim for additional teacher can be considered.
One additional teacher.
Even if the authority wants one additional teacher in terms of the enrollment, then one Mr. Abdul Baten would be the one who would be first have to be given a consideration.
Abdul
Baten,
Bate.
age 22. He is senior to the petitioner.
Smith, Maths, English.
My lord, whether he has a claim, I don't know lordship. Now I am claiming lordship. I am claiming before, my lord, for provincialized lordship. Whether he is claiming or not, that is different. It's right. I don't, my lord, my claim may be directed to be considered lawful.
Why?
In terms of
Only
my
three,
lord,
in
my lord,
terms of
311
311.
lordship, proviso lordship.
Ah,
Proviso is there, that provided
Ah.
that for additional posts, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standards stipulated in the schedule under section 19 and 25 of the right. of
see, additional
student-
teacher is not mandated.
Now in the RT
It
Act,
doesn't mandate for additional teacher.
what RT
It's a
Act says-
proviso.
What RT Act says, kindly say, lordship. My lord, in the table law schedule, first, my lord, number 1, number of teachers for first class to 5th class. My lord, admitted children up to 60, between 60 to 100, my lord, 3. My lord, between 91 to 104. $124. My lord, now this enrollment is a, my lord, 100 to 20 lawsuit. So four teachers ought to have been provincialized lawsuit.
When does this mandates that port has to be provincialized?
My lord, in terms of the RT, my lord, schedule of the, my lord, RT Act lawship, in this book lawship, it is at page 27 lawship. I'll see the schedule under section 19 and 25.
You first read the section 311.
311 proviso is their lordship. Additional teacher, my lord,
So it's not mandatory.
that is why lordship, it may be directly be considered lordship.
What consider?
Consideration
No.
is not a mandatory lordship.
5 up to them.
Now, in terms of the RT Act lordship, it is one teacher could have also been in my lord provincial act lordship. So I am claiming for that post lordship.
There's no fourth force HRs. Additional is up to the authority.
Respondent will be directed to be given affidavit in this regard. What is the stand lordship? Now, many petitions have been disposed of by you. Lordship is also lordship. And another, my lord, Honorable Justice Silo lordship. My lord, court number 9, my lord, Robin Fukon lordship. Honorable Justice Robin Fukon has also
Go
disposed of
there,
this land.
then in that case.
You lordship also has.
You go
disposed
there
of
in that
lordship.
case.
Otherwise, my lord, the state has to, my lord, file a response lordship.
List before any other appropriate bench without me.
Don't know, you lordship submitted here.
Then
Your lordship's order was followed by those courts lordship.
third, Mr.
MH Ahmed lordship.
I'll be dismissing your writ petition. So we are granting them to file writ petition.
Maybe allowed to file my lord affidavit lordship.
Because
Picture will
I'll be
clear.
dismissed.
Position will be clear lordship.
Or at best, we'll dismiss the writ petition
Oh,
and
but
however the
affidavit may come.
authorities may consider.
Affidavit,
He'll make an application before the authorities.
Huh?
He'll make an application before the authority.
No, will not say. Authorities may consider in accordance with law.
My lord, with
If additional teachers is required,
yes, if there is a requirement.
if there is a requirement of additional teacher, that's all. Huh?
yes,
Is it?
lordship,
Heard, Mr.
MH Ahmed lordship.
MH Ahmed. MS
MH Ahmed lordship.
MH Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Kaushik, learned standing counsel elementary education
Corresponding 1, 2, and 3.
department. For respondent number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Who is for 4?
Government applicant gave
4. You are 4. Mr.
JU Laskar, my lord.
And J. Laskar for respondent number 4. And counsel for respondent. Next para. Agreed by non-provincialization of the service as Arabic teacher in 3 number Balarcha Navjati ME Madrasa this writ petition has been instituted for a direction to consider the case of the petitioner for provincialization of his service in accordance with the Assam. Where is that? What is that? Assam?
Starts from page 96.
Assam so and so Provincialization Act
Starts from page
2017.
99.
Provincialization Act 2017 in short. Huh? Page
99.
99. Must be plagued. Is this Assam Education so and so? You take this, page 99, right? 2017.
2000.
Next para. It is the case of the petitioner in short is that the petitioner was appointed as Arabic teacher by an order dated 01/02/2001. At 3 number Balarcha Namjati ME Madrasa by the managing committee of the school. Accordingly, he or she,
She, my lord, my lord.
he or she,
He lost.
then why you have said he, she?
He lost, not she lost.
Accordingly, he joined her service on 05/02/2001. And since then, serving continuously in the said school. Without salary also.
My lord.
Now we are getting salary.
In Bhansar school, my lord,
Please stop, please stop.
earlier, my lord.
The number 3, Balarsa Navjati ME Madrasa was established by the local people on 01/01/1992 and subsequently was recognized by order dated 29/12/2005 by the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, in terms of the Assam Elementary Education within bracket Provincialization Act 1974. Please stop. Next paragraph. The District Elementary Education, District Scrutiny Committee constituted under Section 10 of the constituted the District Scrutiny Committee of what district? Bongaigaon, has recommended the name of 3 number Balarsa Navjati ME Madrasa for provincial school and service of the teachers and staff. Including the name of the petitioner as Arabic teacher. List of it was under 2011 Act recommendation.
No lordship.
Where is that recommendation?
That was
23.
23.
yes, lord.
How do we know what is the order? Who has given this? When it was, there's no district, no date, nothing. Hmm?
My lord, it was,
On when?
date
When
is-
it was?
date is not there. My lord, the reference of RTA, my lord, RTA Act is also there in the, my lord, format.
I'm not asking,
Date is
I'm
not there.
asking something, please stop, huh? The recommendation of the district scrutiny committee. Provides the details of tutor eligible for provincialization, wherein 5 teachers in the subjects of English, social science, mathematics and science, Assamese and Arabic with including the petitioner were provided. The name of the 3 teachers in the English, social science and mathematics and science have been provincialized. List of next paragraph. It is the contention of the petitioner that since the name of the petitioner was recommended along with 4 other teachers, the service of the petitioner ought to have been provincialized in view of the provisions of what is that RT Act? In view of the provisions of
My lord, under section 19 and 25, the schedule 1 of
provision of in view of the provisions of Provincialization Act 2017 and the right of children to free and compulsory education Act 2009. Mr. Next paragraph. Mr. M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that although 3 teachers have been provincialized, for science and mathematics, social science, social studies, and language, as per the proviso to the section 311 of Provincialization Act, which provides that for additional post, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standards stipulated in the schedule under section 19 and 25 of Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Next, he submits that since the school, number, 3 number school, so and so, name Hasim, wherein the petitioner is serving as Arabic teacher, comprised of an enrollment of more than 100 students.
More than
We call it-
100 to 120 law.
More than 100 enrollment of more than 100 in the subject, huh? The authorities are duty bound to appoint additional post taking into account the provision of section 19 and 25 of right of children to free and compulsory education. Huh? We just this will be RT Act, huh? What RT? This stuff. Next paragraph. Although no affidavit has been filed on behalf of the state response, Mr. B. Kaushik, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel, elementary education department, for respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Submits that once the 3 teachers in subject, 3 subjects, particularly science and mathematics, social science, and languages, are provincialized. There's no mandatory requirement for appointing additional teachers, although the provision, although for additional post, if it is to be appointed, would be in terms of the provisions of right of children to free and compulsory education, 2009. He submits that in the present case, although there were the 5 teachers, including petitioner, were recommended by the district disciplinary committee. The teachers at serial number 1, 2, and 3 in all the 3 subjects have been provincialized, and the authority deems it fit not to appoint any additional teachers, as the provision prescribed under the Provision Act provides for appointment of provides for provincialization of 3 teachers in the above 3 subjects in case of Bansar Upper Primary School. Therefore, the petitioner, being at serial number 5, has no indefeasible right for claim of appointment as additional teachers. More so, there are one more senior teachers whose service, one more teacher whose name is in requirement and but not provincialized, who is much senior to the petitioner. Therefore, in the event an additional teacher is required to be appointed, the first preference would be given to the senior whose name has been recommended at serial number 4, whereas the petitioner is at serial number 5. of the recommendation, district school, the recommendation of the district school committee. Next para. Consider the submissions of learner council for the parties and also perish the materials available on record. Next para. For provincialization of services of the Bencher Upper Primary School is regulated by the Assam Provincialization Act 2017, which has been elected after the so-and-so the Provincial Act 2011 was declared to be unconstitutional. List. Section 3 provides of the so-and-so Act provides next para. Eligibility criteria for selection of educational institution for provincialization of services of teachers or tutors. Mr. The subsection 1 Roman 11 close 11 Roman 11 bracket close provides that in case of Benson Upper Primary School, minimum of teachers or tutors provides lays down that minimum of teachers, a minimum of 3 teachers or tutors, at least one teacher each for science and mathematics, social studies and languages are to be provincialized in case of Benson Upper Primary School, provided that for additional post it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standard stipulated in the schedule under section 19 and 25, the right of children to free and compulsory education act 2009. Just page 111 in the book. Next period. Next period. Upon perusal of the provisions, above provisions, it clearly shows that minimum of 3 teachers would be appointed, and 3 teachers at least one teacher each for social science and mathematics, social studies and languages would be provided for, would be provincialized, for Bencher Upper Primary School. Provided that for additional post it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and the standard of under section 19 and 25 of the right to so and so. Therefore, thus there may be a scope to provincialized over and above the 3 teachers for 3 subjects as an additional post. It is not, it would not be mandatory for the authorities to provincialize and appoint any additional teacher in the Benson Upper Primary School. List of next paragraph. It is true that the school in question No, the number 3 school so and so, wherein the petitioner is stated to be serving as Arabic teacher, has more than, is shown to be having a more than 100 enrollment in the subject for which an additional teacher may be appointed, comma. The authority, comma, huh? What I said, it is true, huh? It is true. Be appointed in terms of the so and so Act 2009, huh? Comma. It would be up to the authorities to take a decision as to whether additional teachers apart from the 3 teachers in the above 3 teachers in science and mathematics, social studies, languages are provincialized. Rest of the listen, huh? Next paragraph. In the present case, admittedly, the strict scrutiny committee has recommended 5 teachers and recommended the names of the petitioner for provincialization of their services by showing the details of the teachers, public tutor eligible for provincialization, wherein 5 teachers' names have been shown, including the name of the petitioner at serial number 5. Mr. It is also not disputed. It is also not in dispute that 3 teachers at serial number 1, 2, and 3, the services of the 3 teachers at serial number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3 have been provincialized in the subjects in English, social science, and mathematics and science. Rest of the requirement under the provisions is for provincialization of 3 teachers, the minimum 3 teachers each in the 3 subjects, which appears to have been followed on appointment or on provincialization of the service of the teachers at silver 1, 2, and 3 in the 3 subjects. List of the petitioner being at serial number 5, legally would not have any enforceable right, any indefeasible right to claim for provincialization of his service as an additional teacher unless no, please, comma, provided. Please stop, please stop. However, authorities in the facts and circumstances and the requirement of the teachers in a particular school may not be. They want to appoint additional teachers or tutors in accordance with, as per the above provisions. As per the section 1, 11 of the Prohibitions Act 2017. Next period. That's right. In view of what has been discussed here in above, I'm of the considered view that the petitioner would not have any indefeasible right to claim for promotion of his service as Arabic teachers in terms of the section 3(1)(11) of the so and so, as the respondent authorities have already provincialized the services of 3 teachers in 3 subjects whose name appeared at serial number 1, 2, and 3. There's no relief can be, no case has been made out by the petitioner for any relief. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed, being devoid of merit. However, authorities may consider the case of the petitioner strictly in accordance with the provisions of so and so, as there may be a scope to appoint additional teachers or tutors in terms under section 3(1)(11) of so and so. I think in some other cases I have held that there is a scope. Here also I have also said, is any that order is there
My
by
lord,
this court?
lordship's order is not there, but other courts, my lord.
Anyway,
Case number is given, lordship.
time changes, law evolves.
My lord, your lordship's order is, my lord.
Law evolves,
Deferred
time
from-
changes.
With all facts and.
But my view as on today's remains same. There may be a scope,
There may be.
but as a matter of right, you cannot.
Yes.
My lord,
Right,
lordship
once
has
three posts are appointed.
your lordship has distinguished your lordship judgment.
Huh?
Your lordship judgment has been distinguished. Lordship.
No, I have not distinguished. I said there may be a scope,
My lord,
but it's
That
not
was-
mandatory.
maybe, my lord, I could not satisfy your lordship.
There's,
but-
therefore,
judgment was
while dismissing the writ petition, direct them to, they may consider your case.
To depend upon based on the enrollment,
Yes.
if there is a requirement.
You find out that judgment.
That was my lord, case
And
number.
my order. Kaushik, you find out that. I think I have, disposed
That
of
is-
similar order.
That was in defined to a
But
lordship.
I think the essence, of the view remains the same. I find that there is an scope, but since once the 3 posts are, filled up or appointed.
In fact, if this scheme of the act is also seen,
Hmm.
well, the main paramount consideration is maintaining the PTR, Pupil Teachers Regime,
Ah.
as per the RTI.
Hmm.
Now, since the act, my lord, provides services of the teachers will be provincialized and there would be a merger of 2 institutes. And ultimately, the overall attendance would has to be seen by the authority. So if there is a requirement, then the consideration has to be given under the proviso.
Otherwise, my lord, there is no meaning of my lord, proviso, my lord. If RTA Act is not applicable, lordship. Anyway, lordship has passed order, lordship. I have nothing to say, lordship.
If you say also, I can't help
Obliged.
it.
Obliged. So,
At best, you may be cursing me. And it doesn't bother. All right. If I know that judgment, I mean the order, if possible, you also. And I don't expect from you. And that's not the spirit as a lawyer. Dismissal and, I mean, allowing a petition in the court is a
Right,
part of
because
your,
in other
part
case,
of
my-
your
my lord,
profession.
my lord, whatever order passed by.
Once it is,
I
it
have-
doesn't mean
my
that
lord,
when
is
if
on
the
merit.
writ petition dismissed, you'll feel
My
offended.
lord, whatever order is passed.
If you
by-
take it an offense,
I have nothing to say, lordship.
that's the
In
that's
other
the
case-
end of your profession.
My
I'll
lord-
tell you.
My lord, no, lordship. In
So I'll
other,
tell you, once your petition dismissed and if you find it,
well, this is
if
judicial.
if you take an offense, if you take it, that is the end of your profession. Mind you.
Definitely not, lord.
Well, resume it
Obliged.
after 5 minutes. Yes.
Delete is 7, 8 and 9.
Please, your lord. My lord,
Yes.
This item and item number 7, my lord,
Huh.
as per the last order passed by lordship,
Huh.
we have filed an additional affidavit
Yes.
to bring on record that we are similarly placed with the 120 numbers of teachers whose services were regularized in the year 2000.
Hmm.
The issue is, my lord, we are paying for equal pay for equal work. I have checked up the records, my lord. The affidavit is not there, my lord. Affidavit filed by us in item number 7. my lord.
Compilation of data and providing it to the finance department.
We'll also have to take the instruction along.
The petitioner to file additional affidavit. Huh.
Yes, we have filed it on 5/6/2026. But I have checked up with the records, my lord. It is not tagged with the record.
Okay, heard Mr. RM Deka, learned counsel for the petitioner in
Item number 7, my lord, WBC 2890 of 2024.
2890 of 2024 submits that an additional affidavit has been filed on 05/06/2026 in pursuant to the order of this court on 19/05 pursuant to order dated 19/05/2026. List of, however, same is not tagged with the records, huh? Then
We may be allowed 3 weeks time to file, take instruction on this agreement.
Mr. B. Kaushik, learned standing counsel,
Secondary.
secondary extent, also prayed for 3 weeks time too.
Well, we have
After
also
necessary instruction.
filed- we have also filed the additional affidavit yesterday, my lord.
Item number.
Then you
Nine.
write,
Item number 9,
then you write Mr. RM Deka and Mr.
M. Hussain, my lord.
M. Hussain,
M. Hussain.
then counsel for the petitioners, huh? Have submitted that so and so, an affidavit in opposition, so and so, huh?
Item number 8, my lord.
You have filed it.
Yes, I have also filed our.
Why one after another? If you could have said similar, then record his name also. Have submitted that they have filed an additional affidavit, so and so, pursuant to the order of the. Ah.
But copy may be served to us, madam.
Well, we have already served, my lord. I will definitely, the extra copies will file, my, will serve, my lord.
You said it doesn't,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't have to say.
Yes, my lord. During the course of the day.
Considerable, let these matter be listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, may I pay for date, my lord, kindly, my lord. After 3 weeks, my lord. date,
That will be,
any date.
it will go to August,
My lord, 5th of August, my lord.
5th of August. Huh?
5th of August. Deeply obliged.
Grateful.
Item 12.
Yes, ready.
Lordship, this matter was earlier under mediation, Lordship.
Ah,
It was not settled there. Later,
Ah.
we were directed to file affidavit in opposition.
Hmm.
But we are waiting for some more elaborations from the department, Lordship. I pray for 3 weeks of time, Lordship.
My lord.
And Mr. M. Datta, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. A. Dekha, learned counsel, L. Dekha, learned counsel for the petitioner. As prayed for by Mr. Miss
NM Sharma Lordship.
N.M. Sharma, learned standing counsel.
Secondary Education Department.
Standing counsel, secondary education department. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit.
But may I pray for a date, my lord?
August. August.
Developed.
16.
Yes,
This higher education department, you have
affidavit has been filed.
filed. your-
Lordship,
Right for hearing, for disposal.
Lordship, take up any other day, Lordship.
Huh?
Affidavit is in file, Lordship.
Why?
But, actually, as that is appearing in this case, Lordship.
Where he is?
Then,
He is in holiday mood.
no. On person details today, Lordship.
Okay.
One thing they said, they told me that sometime because of relevancy of the degree loss, MSc and there is some time required.
Who?
For this is sometime more time is required also. That's why after
You
vacation.
tell us, what do you want?
After vacation, one day.
For what? After
final
vacation
disposal.
for one?
For final disposal loss. For
No,
final disposal loss.
You said something degree or something like that.
Lordship, the issue is that their qualification, Lordship, qualification is MA, MSc.
Are you
Yes, he is a-
submission on merit?
No, that's why I just go through the file.
So why? It should be adjourned. Tell us.
Lordship,
I'm asking why it should be adjourned. What a matter should be adjourned.
take time, Lordship.
For what?
Otherwise, for time being, Lordship, as this is coming, Lordship.
Huh?
Otherwise, time being, Lordship, as this is appearing in case, Lordship,
Where is?
it's in other court. Court number, I am waiting for court number 1.
And Mr. S. Bortakur, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. M. Datta, M. Sharma. S. Day, sorry, is the learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
As Bhuya,
S. Buya, learned
in the higher education, Lordship.
standing counsel, higher education department submits that matter has been entrusted to Mr. S. Das, learned other learned standing counsel who is engaged in some other courts, therefore fresh for listing of the matter
On 28th July,
after 4 weeks. As
Your
agreed to
Lordship
by
may
parties
pick a
that
date.
this matter
Otherwise, this
listed
dating-
after, listed on 2/8,
28th.
2/8 July.
Obliged.
17.
Yes, ready? What is this?
My lord, we are ready, my lord.
What is the issue?
My lord, the issue is about, my lord, the present batch of petitioners are the science graduates, my lords, and they do not have, my lord, the honors in mathematics. Now, my lord, what has happened, those candidates who
Who
had,
is for the respondent?
my lord, the secondary education, my lord,
Who is there? Where is that? Who is there? Secondary education.
My lord, Mr. NJ Khataniar, he is in court number 1. He will appear in this matter, Lordship.
So,
So Lordship may take up the matter after some time.
not Mr. Not today in that case.
my lord, some are.
A.R. Boya, learned counsel for the learned senior counsel assisted by Mr.
NZ Chaudhary.
N.J. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners. Next para, it is submitted by M.S.
Sharma Lordship.
N.M. Sharma, learned counsel that the learned standing counsel, Mr.
NJ Khataniar.
N.J. Khataniar, who has been entrusted with the matter, is engaged in some other court. Therefore, press for, and therefore she pressed for listing of the matter on some other day. As
So,
agreed to
next,
by the
sir.
London Council for the
Next
parties,
are the largest.
let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Not urgency, advertisement is going on. If it's filled up, the petition will become.
Next week, in that case,
My
next
lord,
week,
Next week.
Friday,
My lord.
next week, Friday,
My lord.
not Friday, Thursday.
Thursday. Okay. Obliged.
18 and 19.
Yes, Sarmaji.
Yes, my lord. The petitioner has retired from service, my lord.
Ah,
And after retiring of service, my lord, I was granted the provisional pension. My
then,
lord, page 52,
50,
52.
so,
Then, my lord, this is the provisional gratuity.
yes,
Then page 53,
ah,
I was granted provisional pension at the rate of rupees 25,000. Then, my lord, I was allowed to receive leave encashment page 54.
then,
Then, my lord, page 55.
then,
Due to some miscalculation, my PPO has been issued, but the final amount has been reduced to 17,490,
from,
25,140. As on today also, my lord, I have not received that revised pension also for last 6-7 months. Even in terms of the order dated 10/10/2025, though I was granted 17.
whether you want this 1749 or 25140. Where is this?
Page 53 was earlier provisional pension.
Provisional pension is 25140.
Yes.
Ah.
Now final pension is 17,490.
I am provided PPO so and so is in favor of so and so. To request the pension person of the other may be made over to him after obtaining signature. If the petition wishes to is appeals to him.
And page 56 stating that I was granted provisional pension at highest rank and therefore there was excess del. Page 56.
Then?
Page 56 per month 7,650. Though
So-
there is no order for recovery, but that order has been issued stating that there is an excess drawal of my provisional pension. Even, my lord, till today, the order has not been complied with. 10/10/2015.
Now what you are getting?
I am nothing. I have not received to.
Yes,
So
anybody?
matter may be disposed of directing the authorities to pay my provisional pension as per their own PPO. As per their own PPO, page 55.
You are not claiming that higher pension.
Though claiming, my lord, now they have filed affidavit stating that actually I am entitled to 740. By mistake, they have given me 25,000.
Yeah, by mistake. You
But
are lucky that there is no recovery.
There is no recovery. I may be allowed.
Or recovery process may be in the offing.
Page
Once you
55.
are accepting it. Yes, why you are, once you have decided, pay.
In item number 18, we have filed our affidavit and
Item is 18 is what?
This is
Same.
the present.
this present case and 19 is take together, my lord.
Why
Similar
9?
similar matter. That is different. Same
Huh?
case, same issue. Two parties, two different petitioners. Their stand are similar. And the affidavit.
Item number 19, we
So
have.
he wants that the as per 50 should be paid. You pay. What's wrong?
Without prejudice to.
But
Huh?
Without prejudice, my lord.
How
item
can
number
we say
18,
that?
Lordship kind to come to.
Either you accept and or you reject it. You cannot have the cake and eat it too. Right?
No choice, my lord. I have to accept it.
Either you decide, you accept it if there was a wrong calculation or mistake. There's mistake is mistake.
At least as
It
I
can
may be allowed.
happen.
At least as I may
It
be
can
allowed
happen,
to.
not only the authority, there could be a mistake to you also, on your part also.
There should not be any recovery. They may be allowed.
No, that we cannot.
Yes.
Once you accept, that's why I'm asking, choice is yours. Either you accept or you challenge it.
My lord, regarding recovery, my lord, there is no order for recovery.
So,
Only they have stated
so we
that.
cannot preempt now, no? So once you accept that, so but that's why I'm saying, if you accept that 1749,
Till today, I have not.
we'll direct them to pay, nothing else. Recovery and all that other things are a different issue.
Yes.
they can come later, my lord, if any notice for or order for recovery comes.
So
But as of
when,
now,
so why you are not paying it?
no, my lord, as per the best calculation, my lord,
Hmm.
Yes, 82 TDI, my lord.
so they are not disputing it. We have filed it in our affidavit.
Yes, 55.
No, he's saying that he's not been given this also. He wants
Already-
this.
Already PP has been issued.
I have
Ah.
not received the amount.
Then we cannot say, once the PP is issued, who is stalling?
The finance, the treasury.
Who is putting an impediments? Who?
Treasury,
Who has to?
treasury officer will respond.
This is issued by Director of Pension. Where is Treasury Officer?
Finance. SC finance will respond.
Yes, Mr. Purse. So you are not pressing all the challenges. You want that this should be paid.
Yes, at this stage, if something is new.
What
comes,
stage?
my
What
lord,
stage?
I should get the provisional pension as per their own PPO. For last 7 months, they have not paid.
You have challenged the 10-10-20-25.
Previous, my lord, regarding excess dwell amount. That
Huh?
has been, regarding excess dwell amount. Not to recover that amount. Since I have already received earlier, they cannot recover from.
Where is the drawal? There is nothing, there is no recovery.
There is no such notice.
There is no such notice.
As per Rohit Maharaj's judgment, they cannot recover.
Hmm. Finance.
We have already heard from our part, Director of Pension, we have already issued a PQ as per the corrected pay scale. And I think the treasury, the finance department, they will respond on whether why it is not paid.
That's why we want. Nobody is there.
After some time,
So you are not pressing your challenge.
First challenge is there should not be any recovery.
No, that we cannot say. Your challenge is that you had been provided the sting.
Our earlier stand was that since my provisional pension was 25,000, but it was later on to come down to 17,000 as final pension.
Yes.
They have in their affidavit, they have clarified why I am eligible to 17,000.
Yes.
And even then,
So therefore, you are not pressing it.
therefore, my lord, regarding recovery,
You are not pressing your challenge.
let us.
You want that you should be paid or release this 17490.
The provision, final pension.
Yes, PPO was issued on 10-10-2025.
Lordship, let me obtain my instructions regarding.
What instruction? It's in 2025.
Lordship,
Are you a party?
yes, Lordship.
Finance is a
asking for
party.
Long time, Lordship, just a short period of time and we'll obtain our instructions as to what is.
That's short period of time.
Next week, Lordship, if possible.
You inform your senior.
Lordship,
You are appearing for whom?
for Mr. B. Gogoi, Lordship.
Hmm?
Mr. B. Gogoi, Lordship.
Find out.
Lordship is asking after some.
Why? Just after some time. We'll take it about 2.
Yes. Lordship.
Because since he's not pressing in the main grievance.
Lordship.
He wants that he should be paid. So once it is decided, finalized,
Lordship.
since he's not pressing his thing, why he should not be released?
Lordship,
Ask them to what treasury? Which treasury officer? Yes, Mr.
Walpur Treasury, Lordship.
Walfara.
Yes, Lordship.
Request him to take the instruction over telephone.
Lordship, Lordship.
All right. Giving this, you take that. Walfara, and when this PPO and all this was issued,
Lordship, I looked in.
we'll close it unnecessary. Yes.
Item 20.
Yes.
Kindly see order dated 30/3/2026, man.
Due to paucity of time. Huh?
Order dated 30/3/2026.
If the prisoner has not been paid his due substantial at the date so which he is entitled, but is to self-pay the same. Yes, not been paid.
Not been paid till date, my lord.
Why you are still under suspension?
My lord,
You are challenging the suspension order.
challenge, my lord.
Are you challenging the suspension order?
Yes, my lord.
Or it is only for payment of subsistence allowance?
Lord, kindly see page number 27, suspension order.
Setting aside requesting impugn, memo suspension, so and so elementary, and why is it, why it should be set aside?
Lord, till date, my lord, suspension order not revoked, my lord, as per instruction, my lord.
Not revoked, it has been reviewed.
My lord, not revoked, my lord, till date.
Has it been reviewed?
My lord, as per Vazai Kumar.
Was there any review?
Lord, till date not review the suspension order, my lord.
There is no review.
No, my lord.
When it was suspended, what is the order of suspension?
Page 27, my lord.
27. Yes, sir. Who is appearing? (13/8/2025).
My lord.
Today, all the learned standing council appears to be remiss or lost somewhere. Yes, madam?
Madam will be taken after some time.
All the learned standing council,
Madam will be taken after some.
the law officers of the state appears to be something remiss or amiss or lost somewhere.
Extremely sorry.
Everything is all right. Everything's all right. Or everybody is planning for this vacation.
After some time.
My lord.
But affidavit is to be filed. Only instruction why the subsistence allowance has not been paid. There was a direction.
Direction, my lord.
As far as the suspension is concerned, we'll consider you file the affidavit.
What is
Who is appearing in this matter?
S4, my lord?
After some time. Yes.
Here the issue is very small, Lordship. The petitioners here in the stipendiary teachers who were appointed in 1996. Thereafter, the GPF account was opened, and from the GPF account, their deductions were made for their contributions as per the old pension scheme, that is the rules of 1969. But suddenly in the year 2010-11 onwards, they made it from the new pension scheme. They converted into a new pension scheme, and permanent retirement account number was given to the petitioners, and they deducted it from the salary. Now, one case was filed before this honorable court, and this court has held that it cannot be done, and this erroneously deducted amount under the new pension scheme shall be refunded, released. And now
If your lordship take up the additional affidavit, there is a letter from the,
Was that the affidavit has been filed by the state?
no,
Then let them file. We'll have to see.
my lord.
We don't know what's happening.
And there is an order of this honorable court, High Court, which clearly says that they have to pay. That is, I have given in 2023, 3 GLT 451,
Who is appearing?
paragraph 118. It's a big judgment. I have given just paragraph 118. I'm just reading. In the backdrop of the above, the court therefore disposes of the instant batch of writ petitions with the following observations and directions. The writ petitioners who come within the fold of stipendiary teachers are entitled to be benefits under the rules of 1969 and they are not covered under the NDCPS 2009. The said petitioners are
What you
also
are trying to say is that this is
same
covered by the
covered by this
judgment.
judgment. And
How do you know this is which judgment it is?
my lord, it's a big judgment to its.
Yes, which court the state?
And after some time.
No, all the cases cannot be taken after some time.
If you're.
You will just say, heard Mr. Eder, learned counsel for the petitioner, relying on the judgment of what? Give the name.
First page, sir.
First page.
I have stated in.
Judgment passed by this court in the case of Purnima Hore, okay,
Yes.
versus State of Assam and others, reported in 2023, 3 GLT 451. What I said, heard Mr. Eder, learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. Relying on the judgment of this court in the case of so and so, Purnima Hore and so and another basis report in 2023, 3 GLT 451. Mr. Dunn submits then counsel submits the aforesaid judgment strongly covers the case of the present case of covered the present case, strongly covers the present case. Christoph, what do you say?
Lordship, there is a representation.
Purnima Hore. Don't go for all these things.
In that case, Lordship, let the department verify whether the petitioner was appointed as a stipendary teacher or not. Let the department verify.
Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the learned Mr.
P.N. Sharma,
P.N. Sharma,
Yes.
learned standing counsel,
Standing Council, Elementary Education.
elementary education. Is granted 2 weeks time to go through the said judgment as to
Yes.
whether the said judgment. No. Please stop, huh? Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel so-and-so, submitted he may be granted 2 weeks time to go through the said judgment as to whether the same would cover the case of the petitioner. Considering above, let this matter be listed after
After the vacation,
Mm.
after the.
2 weeks. Yes, Mr.
Give it. Not easy.
Yes, next.
22, 23, 24.
If it has written instruction, we will allow 2 weeks time to file an affidavit.
And Mr. A. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petitioners. Next para, on the prayer of Mr. P.P. Datta, learned standing counsel, secondary education. For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in the affidavit.
May I pray for a date, ma'am?
How can you be like? You are no longer in the.
No, I am, this is a against education department. I'm standing counsel for revenue.
Can it be done? When I was the Advocate General in charge of the state, I did not permit that.
Well, I'm only representing revenue department.
No, it's the same state. I find according to me, that point of time, I did not allow the government lawyer. Because it's a little, a conflict of interest. You are representing the same state. Doesn't matter, the departments may be different. But it's your own policy of the state. I'm not saying that there is, but that appears to be a conflict of interest. So I suggested the state not to allow. Once you are a Western, even if you are a standing council, but it's up to the state to decide.
Can I
Okay.
put for a date, madam? After vacation, only a date I have to.
After vacation, and then in that case, you'll go to August. If you want that, August.
First week of August.
Yes.
Much of it.
26.
May it please your lordships. My lord, this matter came up on 23/5. Notice issued lordships and lordships, extra copies have been served lordships,
Extra copies has been served.
served.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, my lord, the petitioner challenged
No, I am not asking
the instruction yet to receive, my lord, because my lord challenged on page 32, my lord. The extension of suspension.
What's wrong with the extension?
Lordships, this is the subsequent extension lordships.
That can be done.
Lordship,
First, once if it is reviewed within a stipulated period, that can be extended subsequently.
So that's why, my lord, I need some time to whether subsequently again extended or not, my lord, because this order is on 9/1/26, my lord.
9/1?
2026 for the period of 3 months. Subsequently.
Okay, heard, Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel by the petitioner. Next para. Matter pertains to suspension of the petitioner. And the challenge essentially challenge is to the extension of suspension order dated 22/09/2025. Next parent. Mr.
B. Talukdar.
B. Talukdar, learned
Standing Counsel,
District Council, elementary education department. Respondent is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instruction as to whether the extension of the suspension period dated 22/09/2025. Further extending the period of suspension of the petitioner is within the stipulated period as prescribed under the applicable rules. List after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
In 27 and 28.
My lord, this is a matters, my lord, regarding provincialization, my lord. My lord, the process is stuck in the, my lord, office of the Director of Higher Education, my lord. If my learned friend agrees, my lord, then that process can be moved and it can be taken logical and, my lord, taking a decision, my lord.
Also, we have to file affidavit.
The proposal, my lord, which has been sent, my lord, may be pleased to find is at page 29, annexure 2 of item number 28, my lord. Because this proposal has been sent long back, my lord, in the year 2023. Now, till date, my lord, the secretary has not acted upon and it is pending there, my lord. In this proposal, my lord, they can take a decision, my lord.
After vacation, we'll receive instruction and file a affidavit also.
2026.
Lordship.
But the
Or
pro-
Mr. A.R. Buya, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M.J. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. And on the prayer, Mr.
As Bhuyan.
S. Buya, Learned Standing Counsel,
Higher education.
Higher Education.
Lord, my learned
Uh,
friend is for item.
Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. On the next day, the legislative council to bring on, to obtain, to place the instruction as to why, as to whether the communication, whether the proposal for sanction dated 1808, the creation of 116 numbers of ex-cadet posts for provincialization of service of tutor, principal, assistant professor and tutor assistant professor in respect of 59 members of provincialized colleges have been processed or not. Page 27. The and to file affidavit in opposition.
I am 27 minutes.
27.
I am 27 minutes.
Hmm.
That's Rahman.
Okay.
Same is supposed.
Then your air where prisoner in WPC 276 oblique 2026 and Mr. S. Rahman for council for respondent number petition 2682 of 2026. Yes.
Obliged.
29.
May I please,
Yes.
Lordship, petitioner is retired from the service as headmaster on 31/5/2025, my lord. Thereafter, pays 39, my lord, his pension, provisional pension has been directed to be released for the period of 6 months, my lord.
Hmm.
After 6 months, my lord, in the month of November 2025, it was stopped, my lord. Thereafter, he is not getting anything, my lord.
Yes. Which for the
Secondary, my lord.
secondary?
Jitendra Kumar Das.
No affidavit, nothing.
Notice was issued on the last occasion.
25.
On returnable date, Lordship. Lordship, can you give us some time?
Or Mr.
S. Hazarika.
Yes, as regular council for the petitioner. Next for as spread for by Mr. SMTC still learned council for the standing council secondary. Secondary is even further, no, not further, huh? Another, no, 3 weeks time is granted while affidavit in opposition.
I'm deeply aware, sir.
30, 31 and 32.
This case, your lordship, in fact, in respect of other similarly situated teachers, your lordship, this honorable court has already passed certain orders which are part of the record, your lordship. Your lordship will get these orders at page 63. These people were also initially appointed, your lordship, during 90s, your lordship. But they were declared as an excess irregular teachers, your lordship. Subsequently, they were provincialized as a tutor. They have the requisite qualifications. The government has verified everything and took a decision, your lordship, to prepare a cabinet memorandum to your lordship, upgrade them as teachers, your lordship, assistant teachers. And however, that's not having been done, your lordship, some of the identically situated teachers came before this honorable court. And the honorable court at page 57, your lordship, passed the order. This is one order, your lordship, I have annexed, your lordship. There are others order also. And there are
There are two types of tutors, lordship. One is normally provincialized schools. There is a provision for upgradation from tutor to teachers, once they have a basic qualification. But when it comes to illegally and irregularly accommodated tutors, there is no such provision. So let me verify it. Lordship, if it's up to 2 weeks. because the teachers who were initially appointed illegally and irregularly, and pursuant to the cabinet decision in 2020, after verification of everything, their credentials, their documents and everything, two categories of teachers were accommodated. One was teacher who had all the qualification, including the professional qualification of that basic teachers training. But those who were not having those basic teachers training, they were accommodated as tutors. So
Present petitioners are?
that has to be verified, Lordship.
Present petitioners, the tutor or teacher?
These present petitioners are accommodated as tutor under the illegal, irregularly appointed.
Your Lordship, he is submitting without going through the brief. Either he should file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Let me file affidavit.
Then Your Lordship may kindly see page 37, Your Lordship. This is the Your Lordship minutes of the review meeting, Your Lordship.
It's okay.
It's
Heard
clear.
Mr. S. Bortakar, learned senior counsel assisted by learned counsel for the petitioners. Next para. Relying by placing the judgment and order, or it's an order.
Order, Your Lordship.
Order dated 19/12/2025 passed by the coordinate bench of this court. In the case in WPC 3185 of 2024. In the case of Nilamani Nath versus and others versus State of Assam, Mr. Bortakar, learned senior counsel, submits that the aforesaid order squarely covers the case of the present petitioner, Mr.
Yes,
P.N. Goswami, learned standing counsel,
elementary.
education, press for some time to verify as to whether the aforesaid order covers the case of the present petitioner. Considerable that this matter will be decided after 2 weeks. If in the event if the learned standing counsel found that the aforesaid case is not aforesaid order is doesn't in the found that aforesaid case is not covered, would not be covered by the present case, then appropriate affidavit in opposition will be filed. List the matter as agreed to parties that this matter will list after 3 weeks. You are appearing? Yes. There's these matters, huh? If you agree, we can dispose it off. We could have disposed it of the matter.
Lots, that one point has to be verified. I have obtained the instruction in this regard.
Okay.
So lots of things, we will verify them.
Oblige the Lordship.
33.
Yes.
My lord, this petitioner before your lordship is working as head assistant in a, my lord, degree college, and his service is, my lord, recently provincialized. And as per the provincialization order, he is entitled to, my lord, new pension scheme, my lord, but they have not taken any step, my lord.
Not to file affidavit, 3 weeks time may be done the person. Not this person.
He is going to, my lord,
You are regularly appointed.
regularly, but provincialized, my lord,
Huh?
provincialized.
You want that you should be allowed to avail the NPS.
NPS, my lord, as per their, my lord, sanction
Is it
order,
not automatic or
appointment
what?
How the pension scheme is not there? No, I'll be.
So I don't know. I wonder how he's asking.
No, my lord.
If your service is regularized,
Yes,
or if you are a regular employee, obviously when you were regularized.
my lord, very recently, my lord, lordship kindly have a look my regulation order. It can be disposed of the fee. Because it is regular, as it is provincialized. Page 36, my lord, page 36, my lord.
How you are saying that you should be allowed to? Automatically you will be allowed.
My lord, in the order itself, my lord, it is mentioned, my lord.
What does it say?
My lord, page 36, my lord, this is order dated.
Serial number?
Yes, page.
Terms and condition?
Yes, my lord, first name is my name, my lord, Soidur Rahman.
Terms and condition?
Yes, my lord, in the, my lord, the second paragraph, my lord. they shall be governed by the NPS, but they are not taking any money from me, my lord, from salary. No step is taken, my lord.
This is unnecessary, sir.
No, my lord, how, my lord? Because, my lord, if I am taken into India, my lord, NDPS, NPS, my lord, they have to take some step to the.
You'll be governed by NPS.
Yes, my lord.
Then they'll do it. What's there?
But they
Account
are
has to be open, my.
Yeah,
Department has to
they'll
be
do it.
in their, my lord, appointment order, my lord, it is said that, my lord, I am governed by the NPS, my
NPS,
lord.
then-
But they are doing nothing to this effect, my lord, against me, my lord. Page 36,
Very unnecessary. Necessary.
and this is the order of 2021, my lord.
Hmm.
That does not mean that, my lord, yesterday the order passed, my lord, and today I am before your lordship agitating.
Have you approached the authority?
My lord, this is their act, my lord.
Have you approached the authority?
No, no,
My lord,
nothing.
repeatedly, my lord, he is requesting, my lord, they are not taking.
Where is the any representation?
Representation not submitted, my lord.
Huh?
Representation not submitted. My lord.
Then
Burbuya.
then premature.
No,
Every-
this is their, my lord, own order, my lord, they are not acting.
Every other day you are caught from your neck,
No, my lord.
caught by your neck.
Lordship, this is, my lord, I am fairly submitting, my lord. This is
Every
their-
other day, Mr. Burbuya, please.
Then, my lord, allow me to submit this effect, my lord.
And Mr.
Dispose of, my lord.
Burbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who fairly submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to approach the appropriate authority for consideration of his grievance as regards the
Granting no NPS,
no,
my lord.
as regards the NPS, new pension scheme, a subscription of NPS, as her service has been provisionalized in the year 2021. In view of the fact that he, particularly having realized that the petitioner has never approached the concerned authority. Mr.
As Bhuyan.
S. Bhuya, Learned Standing Council,
Higher education.
Elementary,
Higher education.
Higher Education, and Mr. B. Mr. B. Sharma, for Accountant General, Learned Standing, KP, K. Phukan, State Council, and Mr. D. Gogoi, Learned Standing for Finance Department, are present according to the writ petition. Stand disposed of. Is stand close on withdrawal with a liberty as prayed for.
Very old order, my lord.
Yes,
Deeply old order.
but you have never approached.
Approaching, my lord, but written nothing given.
Yes.
Deeply old.
Supplementary 43 to 47.
Yes, Mr. Burbuya. Burbuya, sorry. Burbuya. Not seriously, on a lighter note, you do a favor,
My lord.
gracefully return your
Yes.
fees to the client.
Yes, my lord. Again, my lord, you will come.
On lighter note.
Yes, my lord. With reference to this case, again, he will come, my lord, after submitting, my lord, application.
Therefore, if not, you'll never come back. On lighter note, I'm saying,
Yes, my
you
lord.
return it gracefully, or else he'll never come back to you.
Thanks. my lord.
On lighter note, I'm saying.
Yes, my lord.
Don't
For-
take it.
for
don't-
advice, my lord,
Don't
then
take it
thanks.
otherwise. It's not an advice. I'm just on a lighter note.
Thanks to you, lord. Lordship, we have filed the affidavit in this matter, sir.
Yes.
But only lordship is taken up after vacation.
Why? This for hearing.
Admission.
Okay. Supplementary. You want to file affidavit? You have filed.
Possibly the 2 items they have filed out of
Yes.
5.
That is also covered.
Supplementary.
Yes, we should cover lordship.
Item 43.
42, 47.
Ah.
These two affidavits will cover all the matters.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, their grievances basically they have been promoted since the from the date of the notification rather than from the date of eligibility, Lordship. That is
What is the law?
As per Lordship.
What law says?
Lordship,
Normally it is from the date of recommendation,
Lordship,
not from the date of the vacancy
Lordship.
or the eligibility.
Lordship, as per notification dated Lordship 18/4/2022, these are under career advancement scheme, Your Lordship.
Ah. It requires it from the date of eligibility.
As per the rules, Lordship.
From the date of eligibility.
Lordship.
What does it say? Let us see.
Lordship may kindly come to page 22, Lordship. This is the
Yes.
office memorandum, Lordship.
This is not a rule.
No, Lordship, this is the office memorandum. Lordship may kindly come to page 26. That last two paragraphs, Lordship. B1 1.14 and B 1.15, Lordship.
1.1.
14. Para 20.
If a candidate applies for promotion on completion, minimum eligibility period is and is successful, the date of promotion will be made applicable from the. Okay. Is it been followed?
So no, that has not been followed. That is the case.
Subsequently, we have Lordship modified for the reasons why we have everything we have incorporated. Lordship,
Our-
matter may taken up clarification.
Yes, Lordship.
Or Mr.
P. Khatonian.
P. Kathania, learn counsel for the petitioners. Mr. Next para. A.R. Tabildar, learn counsel for the learn standing counsel Higher Education Department. Submits that an affidavit in opposition has been filed. Affidavits in opposition have been filed in item
Item, Lordship,
44 and 45.
in
44 and 45. Lordship.
44 and 45.
in WPC 1769 of 2025 and WPC 1772 of 2005, which would cover the other writ petitions. Mr. As agreed to by parties, let this matter be. Will admit the petition.
Lordship.
Will admit the petition list for hearing.
Lordship.
Admit. No, anyway, as agreed to the parties, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
So may I pray for date? Lordship? Any date?
August.
August. Lordship. 3rd August.
Obliged.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, can we go through a last order of this court, Lordship?
Huh?
We're paying for a similar order, Lordship.
Similar order.
Yes, Lordship. Already division benches, decide. Order dated 24/3/2026. Can we go to an extra 8, Lordship?
Yes, Arbi Bora. And Katania. Is it? Page
89, Your Lordship.
89. Passed by the division bench.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, last time we grant you a time to go through it, verify it.
Yes, but otherwise, that can be disposed of in view of the order passing the writ appeal. But the writ petition was dismissed. They preferred writ appeal. In the writ appeal, direction was issued to verify their case, Mallam, and to pass a speaking order. And the honorable division bench did not interfere with the order of the learned single judgment.
What learned single judge has said? What is
Dismiss
the,
petition.
huh?
Dismiss their petition, Mallam. Then they preferred the writ appeal. In the writ appeal, an order was issued to the effect that their cases will be considered by the authority. Whatever documents they have with them, my lord, that will be verified, and accordingly, my lord, a speaking order will be passed.
This petition will prefer the same, Lordship. Our documents may be verified, Lordship. Our documents may be verified, Lordship. We had a similar city candidate, Lordship, applied same advertisement. We're challenging the same improvement notification 17/6/2025, Lordship.
আপনার কথা বলতে গেলে। কিন্তু প্লাস যেহেতু কমপ্লিট সেইগুলো আচ্ছা 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 এটা
On concession only.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 90.
In the
Page 95, my lord. Page 95, the last paragraph. The learned Advocate General Assam, though initially contested the appeal and the interlocutory application on merits, but agreed that the application of the applicants shall be verified by the state, and whatever documents as demanded by notification dated so and so are not produced by the applicants, the same shall be verified from the state records database, and in case their applications are rejected for the reasons of the same having been found to be not genuine or not meeting the eligibility criteria, the reason for rejection. Of
Yes,
the
yes,
application
what do, I've seen it.
No.
What do you say?
That
In
this-
similar direction?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes, my lord. Direction contained in page 95.
We can
that
dispose it
can be
of.
passed, my lord.
Without going into the merit.
Yes. Because the notification was not interfered with, my lord. Not by the landed single judge, nor by the honorable.
Will not say anything in view of the other, the other passed by the division bench.
Yes.
In the case of so and so, it appears that the petitioner's case may be considered in terms of the, then we'll
Yes, my lord.
give the same, thing,
In the same line.
same line.
We are only implementing against lordship.
No, we're not going to do all this thing. Now we'll not go into all this thing. We're not going into the merit.
Yes, my lord.
Because actually the claim was rejected.
Rejected, my lord.
By the, on appeal and on consensus only, on
ma'am.
consensus only this order has been passed. And that order has not been interfered with.
Yes.
And Mr.
Associate.
Learned Association,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners,
Yes.
Petitioners, my lord.
and also had Mr. N.J. Khatria,
Pandit.
learned standing counsel.
Department of School Education.
What,
Department of School Education.
is it Department of School Education?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Department of School Education. For respondent number,
No, 1, 2, and
you find out, huh?
1 and 2, my lord.
Comma,
1 and 2, my lord.
MSRB Bora, learned standing counsel, NIOS,
Yes, Lord.
for respondent number.
Five.
5 and
I am pilot for response.
I alarm for respondent number. And constable, NCT, for respondent number 4. Dispose it of.
Yes.
We pass the order in chamber.
Obliged, lord.
Obliged. I think 20.
Item 20, let's say I have instruction that director has already issued an order in the month of 29/4/2026, asking the DO to release the substance allowance for that suspension period. And I have telephonic conference with the DO that it has already been released in the month of May, that amount.
In the morning, I informed the Michael and he said that he not received the.
That is why I am-
Are you sure?
That is why.
I
Huh?
mean,
Morning, I informed the client, my lord.
Hmm?
Lordship, this is the order of the director, Lordship. And from the district, I have, over telephone, I have got the instruction that it has already been released in the month of May. This is the order issued by the director in the month of April to release the substance allowance.
Hmm. Substance is admissible to be as per existing ruling.
My lord. Lord, another date maybe first I will confirm, my lord.
Hmm?
Confirm my client, my lord, whether he received or not, my lord.
You said this morning you have contacted.
My lord, suspension order, my lord. Till date, my lord, not review, my lord.
Hmm?
Suspension order, my lord.
That too will, that is one other issue, that they will file affidavit.
Yes, on that we will have to file affidavit. But substance allowance we have already.
Heard, Mr.
M. Hawk.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. SMT60 learned counsel for
The
the
elementary education.
learned standing counsel elementary education department. We're referring to order dated 29/04/2026 passed by the
Is
Who
the
is the
director.
Director
Director elementary education.
Elementary Education submits that the director has already directed to the concerned authority to release the substantial allowance to the petitioner. Mr. Hawk, learned counsel, submits that. No, please, on such submission, Mr. Hawk, learned counsel by petitioner submits that he may be granted some time to obtain instruction.
Yes.
Mr. As per the challenge, you're challenging a suspension order.
Yes, my lord. Suspension order already suggested.
Main challenge as regards the suspension order of the petitioner on the ground that no review has been undertaken by the authorities as per the applicable rules. Mr. SMT60 correspondence granted for the 3 weeks time to file affidavit. This after 3 weeks. Mr. Hawk, be sure once the order is passed, that too after 2 months, you have to sure to make a submission before the court. Just don't make your submission on the
In fact, I have got a.
on the assumption. All right.
In fact, I have got a copy of the bills. It is a bulk that I didn't print, Lordship, that it was submitted for the treasury in the month of May. Sure, he has got it.
First,
Take care. Be careful in
my
future.
lord.
18 and 19.
Mullah.
My lord.
Mr.
Your
Mullah.
lordship, my lord.
Ah.
My lord, instruction is to be.
Regarding the PPO, my lord, from
Ah.
Treasury Officer Gwalpara,
Ah.
I've got the information that, my lord, this PPO was received by the Treasury Office in November 2025.
Ah.
Since then, the petitioner has not approached the Treasury Officer. On the plea that, my lord, there is some anomaly in the, my lord, particulars mentioned in the PPO. Neither he has corrected it, nor he has approached. So, my lord, this pension has not been, my lord, issued.
Your
We'll have
call.
to approach.
Go there.
No, then we will approach, my lord.
You go and approach.
If some correction is required, my lord.
Whatever,
not
you
in
go
the-
there and approach.
Not in Treasury. He will have to approach, then only, my lord, physically he will have to approach, then only they can proceed.
Yes.
He'll have to.
Well, dispose it off.
My lord.
Where is 18 and 19? No. A different person.
Different person, different school. 19 to be like.
19 different.
19, my lord, he just retired in the year 2019, similar, everything, my lord, they are both on similar footing. Only retirement date is different. He retired in 2019 and he retired in 2000.
Any instruction on 19?
Only my lord, 18 I was directed, I have the.
19 also a PPO already issued.
Ah.
10/10/2025.
Ah,
Now,
no, that
what
we have seen. But what happened after issuance?
happened-
The same phase.
Same.
No, my lord, region may not be same, same,
Ah.
my lord, because for 18 I have got the instruction, I was directed.
That's why I'm asking. Same thing.
19 we have issued our PPO.
Huh?
PPO already issued.
No, that we have understood. Thereafter, what happened?
Yeah, after my lord.
As in item 18, because of his
Ah.
the requirements of correction, or he has not approached to
So by
it's
the
still
other time, we
pending.
have to take the instruction from the treasurer.
Huh?
Then, my lord, may I pray, my lord? Both the matters may come after vacation.
Why?
Why means, my lord, I hope I will be able to take some instruction also.
Likewise.
If it is within their knowledge. my
Then
lord.
we'll say we'll dispose of item 18.
My lord, both similar, my lord. Otherwise, that matter will suffer.
What similar?
No, not similar,
No.
cannot be, my lord.
Yes, my
10
lord.
cannot,
No.
Heard, Mister?
AFNU. Mullah.
18 can be closed then.
Huh? AFNU. Mullah. Learned counsel for the petitioner.
18 lordship will only record my statement that my lord, he has not approached the treasury for
Yes,
which
yes.
the pension do not.
Yes.
The nominally part may not be.
And also heard Mr. B. Gogoi, learned standing counsel, finance department,
My lord.
as well as
DP for reference.
G. Pegu, learning counsel for elementary education department.
Not limited, pension.
Huh?
Pension, I have.
Learned state council. Correspondent number? Respondent number? 4. You are also appearing. Then SMT60. Medi. Okay. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for. No, this is what?
We challenged, my lord, orders. Impugned orders, my lord.
Okay. Initially, no, I had challenged the order dated 10/10/2025. Page,
That was of 55 and 56, my lord.
what, 55, 56? Or not order, communication dated 10/10/2025. Issued by the Finance and Accounts Officer. And the Director of Pension Assam. Whereby the whereby PPO in favor of the petitioner. Retired assistant teacher at the rate of rupees 17,490 per month. Has been fixed and directed to allow the withdrawal of the above amount, as well as and by showing that the excess withdrawal of rupees 7,650 per month as provisional pension. Next paragraph. The petitioner was working as Assistant teacher,
Assistant teacher, my lord.
school name of the school,
School name of my lord, assistant teacher of Sri Sri Ramakrishna Vidyapith MA School, page 54, my lord.
54.
My lord.
Of Sri Sri Ramakrishna Vidyapith MA School. Had retired on 31/12/2023. List of accordingly. He was paid I was granted leave encashment benefit payment. And other allowances. List of. However, the pension of the petitioner was not settled. List of. On where you have been allowed to draw the provisional,
Provisional, my lord, allowed to draw at page 53, my lord.
Mr. By an order dated 24/01/2024, 25.
My lord, 25,140.
The petitioner was allowed provisional pension at the rate of rupees 25,140. List of next paragraph. By the communication dated 10/10/2025, the finance and accounts officer to the treasury officer, Golpara Treasury. PPO of the petitioner in respect of petitioner, in favor of the petitioner at the rate of rupees for the rupees 17490 was issued, showing the excess roll of rupees 7650 per month in the provisional pension. Next paragraph. The Mr. Mullah, AFNU Mullah, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner, although petitioner initially challenges the two communications dated 10/10/2024 by the respondent authorities in issuance of PPO and plural petitioner at the rate of rupees 17490 per month as pension, showing the excess drawn of rupees 7650 per month as a provisional pension. However, the petitioner is no longer is petitioner now wishes not to press the said challenge.
That instruction, my lord,
Huh?
I'm not clear. I tried my level best to contact my lord. That is not clear, my lord.
That was the understanding before. Who appeared earlier?
Narayan Sharma, my lord.
I have asked him
I
repeatedly.
tried to contact client, my lord, during these 2 hours, my lord. My lord, otherwise it will.
Then why you have not said so earlier?
Therefore, my lord, I prayed that matter may come after vacation. Therefore, my lord. But sorry, my lord, that I did not, my lord, explain it, but I prayed.
See, this is not done. Delete all. On the prayer of Mr.
Yeah, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 8 weeks. What is this? We have kept it. We have heard you earlier, your colleague earlier in the first half,
Because, my lord, it will be double.
and he has agreed
double
that
punishment.
this he would not like to face the challenge.
But he was also not.
Since he said categorically, he has submitted that since there appears to be a mistake, so we accept. So whatever is been settled, we're ready to accept that.
Because, my lord, it's a very critical issue, my lord. Because
What critical? You
double-
could have said so earlier.
Yes, my lord, double punishment. There will be double.
What double punishment? What do you mean by double punishment? Sorry,
My lord, if I am wrong, my lord.
we don't appreciate such
My lord,
conduct.
subject to correction.
I'm
my lord.
sorry.
Now it is reduced.
Make
my
it 6 weeks.
lord, and access drawal, my lord.
6 weeks.
So that is double punishment.
What double punishment? Please assist the court for
Assist.
proper delivery of administration of justice.
Therefore, my lord, I prayed after vacation, my lord.
What prayed after vacation? Your friend has submitted
Friend-
earlier.
friend
We have
has
settled. That's why we
Yes,
fixed the matter only for instruction.
My lord, he was on the hall.
And when the
Correct.
Mr. Gogoi has
Correct.
brought the instruction over telephone, whatever, you have accepted also in that case that you will approach.
No, approach that part, my lord. While dictating that part, my lord, that I have accepted.
So you'll know your challenge is these two, the
These two.
influence of PPO. And
Yeah.
when you have accepted, what is the question of pressing it? How you continue? How you will be allowed to continue when you are accepting that you are entitled for this, the revised one? I mean, the communication which you are put to challenge.
That is correct, my lord.
When you say that there is a mistake, so we accept.
Access drawal again will remain, my lord. Therefore, access drawal will remain.
Nothing is there before us today. There is no recovery, no nothing.
So therefore.
See, you have been allowed to draw provisional pension
My lord.
in a higher amount, in a higher side. Then by final PPO, I mean, when the PPO was finally issued for pension, it was reduced. So you have put to challenge. Obviously, there is a excess drawal. It's clearly written pension, provisional pension. There is excess drawal.
Therefore, my lord, we prayed that if your lordship pass an order that with liberty, my lord.
Don't try to
We will accept this,
don't try to play tricks.
but with liberty.
Please.
Obliged, my lord.
We know how to handle with such tricks. We try to play tricks. Try to understand.
It's not like.
Unnecessary. Huh? Well, we'll take it after 6 weeks.
for orders.
May I please your lordship. As per last order, steps has been taken for the respondents number
Hmm.
1 and 2. But the service report is still awaited. Kindly fix the matter for the next week.
Okay, heard, Mr.
MK Alom.
Land Council for the MK Alam, Land Council for the petitioner. Await service list after 4 weeks. Okay.
May I please lordship. Service upon respondent number 9, lordship not completed due to some address.
Okay.
An address lordship. In this regard, Lordship, I have filed IA for amendment of post title in respect of respondent number 9, Lordship. Lordship.
IA.
IA for correction of the address of respondent. number 9.
There's no objection. We'll allow the IA. Heard MS?
P. Odhikari.
P. Uddin.
P. Odhikari.
P. Adhikari, learned counsel for the applicant. And also heard Mr.
Yeah,
S. Boya, learned
technical higher
student person higher education department. Mr. Next one, this is an application. Amendment or what?
Amendment, Lordship.
Or correction?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Application seeking amendment of the post title in respect of respondent number 9 by a correction. Correction of the address.
Address, Lordship. Address of respondent number 9.
Address. There's no respondent number 9. Huh?
Respondent number 9.
In IA, there is no respondent number 9. Six, 7, 8. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Devakumar Das.
Yes, Lordship.
Devakumar Das in the connected writ petition in the connected WPC number 513 of 2026. It is submitted by a learned counsel for the applicant that due to inadvertent mistake, the address of the respondent number 9 has been wrongly mentioned. Therefore, the the post title of the writ petition may be allowed to be amended by allowing the applicant to correct the corrected correct the actual address of the correct the correct address of the respondent number 9. Stop. Next minute, having considered that the address of the petition appears to have been inadvertently given in the connected writ petition. I deem it appropriate to allow this petition. Accordingly, the applicant is allowed to provide the correct address by amending of respondent number 9 by providing the what I said accordingly of the respondent number by amending the post stated in respect of the respondent number. So I will have to manage. I stands allowed and disposed of.
In the writ petition,
Aware of the
order is
past
there.
history. So and so, the petition is directed to file amended course title. Mr. On receipt of amended course title, registry to incorporate the registry to do the needful. Interim order passed earlier should continue. Then notice has to be issued. Then you said, thereafter. No, again, the steps be taken within 1 week. Steps, huh? Interim order passed earlier should continue. List the matter after 4 weeks.
38 for hearing.
What remains?
This.
2014.
Section that respondent number 5 has expired last year in the month of December. Lord.
Yes, now,
On the last occasion petitioner.
so what is to be done?
My lord, it was not fully infructuous because, my lord, the order by which the provincialization benefit had been extended to the private respondent, my lord. In fact, his account, my lord, now is no more. But my provincialization has been interfered with and it had not been given me the benefit. So, my lord, it needs, my lord, if I am not wrong, my lord, that part is still, that cause of action still survives, my lord. Because now, my lord.
No, in the writ petition,
Yes, my lord.
earlier writ petition filed by whom? Respondent number 5.
Lord, there are series of petitions are there, my lord, and ultimately an order of provincialization, my lord, had been issued.
Hmm.
The order is at page 63, annexure 17 is under challenge, my lord.
70?
Page number 63, annexure 17, my lord,
Hmm.
is under challenge, by which this provincializations, the impugned speaking order by which, my lord, they have said,
63.
my lord, 27/9/2013 at page 63, my lord.
Hmm.
In the last part, my lord.
This is, where is Mohammad Haider Ali Mullah?
Haider Ali Mullah had been extended the benefit.
Who is Haider Ali Mullah?
He is the person, my lord, who has got the benefit and died, my lord. Five, my lord.
Approach the High Court for regulars which was disposed of the observed that his case will also be along with the other case if applied for in the event of an adverse selection in the thus as Hindi teacher could not be furnished because of pendency of report case. But is in compliance order Hindi teacher Mohammed said in the meantime Mohammed said the acquired facility. The direction of depletion is permission is one. Muhammad Saibuddin Amin Ahmed.
My lord, Saidul Amin Ahmed is the writ petitioner before my lord, my lord.
Amin Ahmed.
My lord.
Being agreed with the above action approach.
Lord, it is a matter and disputes relating to Hindi
for
teacher.
address against the approach course of action, particularly filling of the post of Hindi, so and so. Whereas the honorable court will so and so. And the court hearing of the court order. 449 is filed by you.
Yes, my lord.
4493 is filed by you.
Filed by me, my lord.
According to compliance order, both the conditions after school interventions from Muhammad Haider Ali Mullah. He is having higher qualification, he is perform better.
No,
How
my
about
lord,
better
what
than
has,
you?
what has happened, my lord, if my lord maybe please.
There was a selection also.
No, no, my lord, there was no occasion to go for a fresh selection, my lord, that was the mandate of this honorable court.
No, therefore it was directed ultimately
My lord,
to afford hearing.
my lord,
Both
if-
were heard.
My lord, if my lord may peruse the paragraph 8, my lord, of the, at page 59 of my lord writ petition 4493, my lord, filed by me. Paragraph 8 at page 59, my lord, just for a moment, my lord.
50?
Page 59, my lord, of WPC number 4493 of 2008, my lord. Paragraph 8, my lord, at page 59.
That mothers fail to
Having
consider
con-
claim for
My
regular
lord.
two riders proposed in the performance and in percent of the courses. Direction press selection without such conveyance unjust, but also the direction press was unlocking of the after advising the response and then the comments in the TCB.
My lord.
Hmm.
So this part, my lord, they have not complied with, my lord.
No. It's of which year?
My lord, 2008, my lord, just. That is the issue, my lord. Now, as he has died also, my lord, now what will happen to the post, my lord? I have a sympathy for him, my lord, but procedure of my provincialization has gone, my lord.
No, there was an observation. Ultimately, of course, observation as it would not have been.
My-
It was unjustified. However, finally,
My lord.
direction was to hear you.
No, my
After
lord,
he-
the direction was, my lord, if I am not wrongly understood, my lord.
No, Madras in plain then in
My lord, it has been said that the deputy director's impugned direction dated and after advertisements. In such circumstances, I feel that justice will be done if the director of Madrasa Education consider the claim of Saidul Amin Ahmed and Haider Ali Mullah for the post of Hindi teacher in the so-and-so madrasa as was ordered by the court in WPC number 791 of 2005. That is also a part of this writ petition, my lord, what was in 791, my lord. If my lord may be pleased to find that order is at page 48, my lord.
ultimately hearing may be accordingly be afforded to both the contenders by the director and the speaking order and merits should be passed. What is that earlier order?
Yes, sir. My lord, may I pray, my lord? Because I am also is not in touch with the present petitioner. So, my lord, that opportunity may be given. I will write a letter to him, my lord. What comes, my lord, and on next date I may not even like to press it also because for that a specific instruction is also required, my lord. Very old matter, my lord.
That's the problem. We cannot afford to adjourn it.
Then my lord can decide.
See, what is the order in the earlier order, this thing?
Yes,
Page
yes,
40
earlier at page 49.
48, I have heard considering
Parties
fraction of
and my lord.
present petition dispose of the direction in reference to regular post of Hindi
My lord.
teachers is at liberty to consider the case as well as respond in accordance with for regularizing, keeping in view the requisite qualification, eligible candidates if the petitioner has fulfilled the criteria, their cases may be considered, final order may pass.
Exactly, my lord. There was
He
no
also
question of
liberty allow the
selection.
managing committee to proceed with the fresh selection
Exactly, my lord.
if any suitable conditions were not available as required under law.
So now, my lord, while they considered, they did not consider that whether I am not suitable or he is suitable. That part they have not.
No, that is considered.
No, my lord. They have proceeded with a fresh selection, my lord. That is the objection. That is the wrong they have done, my lord.
Finish,
My lord.
finish, nothing.
No, my lord, kindly appreciate the speaking order, my lord. What they have done, my lord, the order of this
They are
honorable
found
court.
to be, the respondent five is more meritorious.
No, my lord, selection, I know, my lord, that if selection is required to be done, my lord, before that, there was a direction, my lord, that the whether I or the private respondent is eligible or not, that consideration or that appreciation of
Mr.
my lord.
Air Buya Learned Senior Counsel assisted by Mr.
And that should.
N.J. Chaudhary Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Next para. No, continue. Who submits that in view of the pendency of this requisitions since 2014, he has no instruction
My lord.
or contact with the petitioner, therefore press for sometime to obtain instruction from the petitioner. Mr. Next para, MS.
Nanda. Nanda, respondent number 5.
Then the council. When respondent number 5 submits that, respondent number 5 has unfortunately expired. When? When?
July, Lordship, third week of July.
When?
December 2025.
In the month of December 2025. Consider the above. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. For instruction. So as to enable the Learned Council to obtain instruction from the petitioner. Next para. He has expired before the retirement.
Yes.
Before retirement. Obtain instruction as per for. But it is not clear that no further adjournments will be granted on the next date. In view of the fact that the matter is pending since 2014.
Obliged.
This was a will.
Made previous lawsuit.
Yes.
My lord, here although the voluminous record, my lord, but the issue involved is now boiled down to a very limited point, my lord. That just for convenience of the lordship, my lord, one list of that, my lord. My lord, here a trust was, my lord, created by in the year 2003, my lord. I have given the list of date, my lord. By one Dipali here. My lord,
Dibrugarh University is there.
Yes, yes.
Whom you are supporting?
I'm supporting the
Petitioner.
Because my lord,
college.
We are respondent by.
They are the owners of the college. Except my lord.
I've gone through.
my obliged for that.
For NCT, my lord, we have encountered a difficult matter.
You could have informed me yesterday over the telephone.
Otherwise.
Considering the voluminous, volume of the, the
Yes, documents.
petition,
But otherwise, I have instruction with him.
saying what?
Regarding the recognition of the Institute of Religious
Ah.
in terms of the land.
Respondent 5.
That is the respondent.
So you are supporting him.
Not supporting my, but as far as.
No, your stand supported to him.
Respondent number 5.
In terms of the point, that they have to follow.
Ah.
Delhi High Court.
Recognize the institute, but that's why we have, and I have been discussing with him. That's why I am,
And my lord, so far the Delhi High Court reference has been made, my lord. There, my lord, it is categorically mentioned
So
that
it's,
my lord,
it's,
contention was left
sir,
open.
therefore it's hotly contested case.
Because
One
kindly see,
respondent supports you, other respondent supports the
Malad,
private respondent.
so far as that support is concerned, based on the record, because pursuant to the Honorable High Court's direction, my lord, filed by my respondent number 5, there was an inquiry, my lord, there's a lawsuit has gone into, my lord.
Yes, I've
And
got it.
pursuant to
Because-
that inquiry, the inquiry Deputy University said, my lord, that it is the petitioner who should enjoy the ownership of the institution. And they, the respondent number 5, what she have done, my lord, in 2011, because initially we took on a rent his premise. Now, the trust body, the husband and the respondent 5 and the respondent 5, they drop for their ill act of, in respect of the society, trust, my lord. In 2008, they have, after in 2011, they have registered one society, and this society claimed to be, my lord, run the institution without the permission from the author and the trust, my lord. And in view of the, my lord, fact-finding body by Dibrugarh University, my lord, page 71, my lord, it is very clear now, my lord, who should run, my lord. So now my claim before your lordship, my limited prayer, that page 104, my application is pending before the, my lord, regional director, ERC, my lord. So they should consider my representation on the basis of their order passing appeal, wherein they say this is to be considered by the director. So that consideration is not been given, my lord. Page 104, kindly see, my lord. Page 104 of the writ petition, my lord.
Just wait.
Serial number 20.
Just wait, Jerry.
Please.
Parijat Academy Teachers Education Institution. It's you.
We have got the
It's you.
Yes, this is the institution, my lord.
Institution
And they are the society, PSQs.
Yours is?
My lord, I am, my lord, Kesu Charitable Trust, my lord. And we have founded the, my lord, institution, Parijat Academy Institution. My lord, the trust body, petitioner's trust body founded that, my lord. And the recognition and permission is also to the trust, my lord. And
Now the respondent number 5.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, has raised that one society. After dropping them from the trust in 2011, my lord, serial number 10. And in the same premise which we took on rent, my lord, or their own house, my lord, on the same premise, they are continuing, they are not allowing us, my lord, to shift the institution. My lord, after the final adjudication of the matter pursuant to the order at serial number 11, my lord, the serial number 12 is the inquiry report, then serial number 13, 17, 7, 2019. This is the decision of the Executive Council, my lord. They say, my lord, this is the trust body who should enjoy the affiliation. My lord, after that, these communications were even forwarded to the, my lord, NCT, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, we have formally requested serial number 20, my lord, 26/11/2019, seeking permission from NCT for shifting in view of the settled, my lord, position who should run the, my lord, institution. Now, my lord, in the page,
You have not, earlier you have not filed affidavit. See, they are relying something, and since, yes, Mr. Das,
my lord,
let us allow him to file affidavit.
No problem, my lord. Date may be fixed, my lord, in that case, my lord, because illegally they are running 2011.
BK
Next prominent all.
Land Council for the petitioner. I also heard Mr.
B. Borua, my lord.
B. Borua. Land
Respondent
Council.
side. Respondent five.
And
I was saying for us, 1 and 2.
we'll record first, R. Goswami Land Standing Council, Dibrugarh University. Correspondent 1 and 2. And 3 is NCT. Alam. Alam. Land Council. Land Standing Council NCT. Correspondent 3 and 4. As well as Mr. Arborwa. P. Borua, sorry. B. Borua. Land Council for Respondent. Next para. Although matter is listed for panel hearing, listed for hearing, comma, which is pending since 2021, comma. Mr. No, only prayer of Mr. Ayalam, Land Standing Council and City, that he may be allowed to file the affidavit in opposition in view of the order passed by Delhi High Court, which the petitioner, which the respondent number 4 has.
Five.
Respondent number 4 has.
Actually,
3 and
my
4.
lord, the institution.
The respondent 3 and 4 has relied
Correct.
and allowing the rely. What is it? Relied on. In view, considering above, comma, lost opportunity. And an opportunity. I deem it appropriate to allow provide deem it appropriate to allow the respondent number 3 and 4 to bring on record, to file the affidavit in opposition for proper adjudication of the lease in the present proceedings. Lease.
Well, honestly, request,
Accordingly, let this matter be listed.
well, it should be for 16th. Well, can it be 16th?
16 July.
My lord, one honest request, my lord. My lord, for further hearing, my lord. Plosive has indicated.
My lord. For hearing, will say.
Further hearing.
For hearing.
My lord, we are raising the maintenance because he is not a trust.
Well considered. Well considered.
Everything is okay.
You decide
21st of July.
Yes.
No problem.
21st.
21st. Earlier, my lord, he filed 2 writ petition, 2 years withdrawal, he has not made.
No, repetition how?
Because he is not a trust, my lord. 4 trustees are not made party.
These are all decided.
He is not the trust or you don't trust him.
I go by the university record, my lord. He is not a trust. Obliged.